we got to drive home here. It's 12:30 in the afternoon, and you can definitely see that this is a 2-lane highway. The left lane is basically closed from drifting in. Temperature is about +1 right now, 1 degree Celsius. Wind is just howling out of the north at about gusting to 65 kilometers an hour. It did stop snowing for about an hour, and now the new system is coming in, and they're calling for 15 to 50 centimeters of snow. They just don't know. There's a plow truck coming towards us there. Well, actually it's not, sorry. It's a truck and a trailer. Welcome to Manitoba Driving, people! Send us your comments. How's your drive today? This is mine. Let me know what's going on out there. That's ice on the road. That's how heavy and thick it is. Should get a little dicier around these corners here. We got the wind is just straight out of the north. If you see the snow blowing across the road right now, they call it basically snow snakes. I'm driving on ice right now. Okay, we got a couple in the ditch here already. Just one's buried way out there. Look at the guy way out there. He must have been moving. That there's nobody in the vehicle, so obviously if there is, just give them a hand, get them to somewhere warm anyway. Lights on for safety, of course, because visibility is, well, as you can see, 100 yards maybe. A couple hundred yards at that. Once we get right up to these trees here, you'll see that things will start to clear up because the trees will block that snow coming across. Once we get past these tracks, I imagine that it's going to, the visibility is just going to drop again. As you can see already, it's dropping. These tracks should be probably one of the worst areas here to cross because everything dumps off the bottom of the four-ways on here. Everything dumps off. When semis go over, you can see the amount of dirt on the side of the road. Everything dumps off the bottom of a semi and piles up right here. bad as I thought it was going to be. It just seems to have cleared up here for some unknown reason. Just the wind is just trying to push my car to the right. You're just fighting the wind the whole way. Take a look on the left, there's, I don't know if that's some kind of plows on the service road. Yeah, obviously there's a front end loader and possibly a tow truck that's there, and that service road would just be absolutely terrible to drive across right now. Yeah, there's even that front end loader is stuck. I can see him spinning his tires. RCMP driving there. It's all good. Now this system is all the way from Denver, Colorado, all the way up to us, of course, and north of us. So it's got to be it is a very large Colorado low, they call it, coming off the Rocky Mountains and meeting up with a low and a high pressure system right over us. So Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, Manitoba, parts of Saskatchewan, parts of Ontario, and a few other states that are in between that I'm missing. Plows have been here because you can tell on the right side the amount of snow that's just been pushed into the ditches. At least they're getting the slush off the roads. Surprisingly, this is not as bad as I thought it was going to be. That's ice blowing off my vehicle. If you can hear that. You're enjoying this this video. You can see I've posted a couple other ones as well already on this. Leave your comments, leave your questions, leave your thumbs up. Let me know what's going on out there. These are not my typical garden videos or my ATV videos. This is just driving in Manitoba. I see some police vehicles parked up here as well. Just off to the side. Not sure what's happening there yet. Oh, yeah, there's another vehicle just in the center there. Hit the four-ways here, let everybody know I'm slowing down. Now the police use the tape you can see. I'll tape off the vehicle to say that those police officers have checked the vehicles to make sure that there's nobody left inside of them. And if there is somebody there, they will see if they need assistance or not. So as you drive by and the tape is on, then they don't have to stop to recheck and see if there's still people inside the vehicle or pets, and offer assistance to them. Definitely not a lot of traffic right now, which is good. A lot of people are probably taking the cities, or the city around, I should say, for the city. But I've also heard all the city streets are just as bad, if not worse, because we have major power outages everywhere, and all the intersections, all the red lights are out. Lots of power outages in different neighborhoods all around the city. See if we have power when we get to my house. I will send a message back to some of my co-workers anyway, and just let them know that the highways seem to be pretty decent here to be able to travel on. You know, I'm doing speed limit down here is 100 kilometers an hour. I mean, I'm doing 65 right now, and it still feels like I'm going too fast for the conditions, but my vehicle's not sliding around, which is a good thing. I could try and hit the brakes here and see what happens, but nah. Geese are flying overhead. They're heading north, don't know why, they should be heading south. Texted me. No big deal. We'll check it when I get home. Another vehicle in the ditch. Boy, that guy went in far too. The faster you go, the further you get. And that guy got a lot further than everybody else. Okay, check out what's coming off the clover leaf here. We've got a grader and a snow plow truck. So obviously these guys are working now, whether they're going to be on the perimeter here or not. I'm not exactly sure, or whether they're just going to go up and around the clover leaf and continue north on Main Street. Nope, they're doing here. We got an excellent view of what's going on. All right, all right, all right, all right. Oh yeah. These are the guys you want to follow. They will clear the road for you. Good timing on my part. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Right over the bridge, right into the river. There's a boat launch just down to our right as well. That is awesome. Hopefully you're enjoying this. Get your people to watch. Check this out. This is what we do. Oh, that's good. That's really good. I'm enjoying it. Hopefully you are. It's good stuff, people. It's good stuff. Now, if you get hit by that snow that's coming off that plow, I'll let you know. It's going to knock you off your feet. One going the other way. He'll be turning around coming back. That's some good stuff. That's a 45 kilometer an hour snow drift hitting you in the knees. Don't be standing there. That is some good stuff. Well, you figure that truck is about 10, it's got to be 10 feet tall. He's pushing snow over, you know, up and around that 8 to 10 foot range, so that's pretty cool. It is wet, sloppy snow. Check it out. Just when it's hitting the ground in the ditch there, it's just rolling. And it's heavy. If you ain't enjoying this, well, show your kids. They'll enjoy it. We do have a fair bit of traffic now behind us, so that's okay. I'd rather be following these guys slow. Now there's a road down below here and a walking path. Hopefully there's nobody walking or driving there at the moment because it's coming over. I'd like to take this time to say thank you for riding along with me with this. Hopefully you're having as much fun as I have. You can see what we go through here in Manitoba. Maybe you don't experience this kind of stuff where you live, but this is what we have. I'd rather be in a nice hot climate, I can tell you that. That's a lot of snow. imagine these guys are just going to do a U-turn and go back to the highways, because that's what they do. Heading back into the city here. Thanks guys for taking care of our roads. See how this street is with snow and ice. With the worst tires on their car go the fastest. That's what I said. At least the city roads here are pretty decent. Thanks for watching.